explain this. We do our best for making the products easier and safer for you to use. First, I will explain the main operating parts. Here is the parking brake. And also here is the PTO switch. If the PTO is working, it makes a special feature work connecting hydraulic pump to the vehicle's power. And the compressed garbage is moved to the stacker by the sliding plate lever and the rotating plate lever. The tailgate control lever. It is for lifting of gate if the trash is full. Ejecting plate control lever. It pushes the compressed trash out of the charger. After the main component is explained, we would like to discuss the method of the compressed garbage. First, I will explain how to check parts before you operate. Number 1. Lock the parking brake in the cabin. Number 2. Turn off the cruise mode switch in cabin. Number 3. Turn off the acceleration switch around the main valve behind the driver. And number 4. Turn off the acceleration switch around of passive lever side of tailgate. You have to check these parts before the operation. If checking, start the car first. Please check the gauge if it is near 650 RPM. If the idling is over 1000 RPM, stop the engine and check all vehicle parts. If the idling works normally, thread the clutch in the vehicle and then PTO is working after 5 seconds. The works are normal if you can see the PTO sign in the gauge and you can hear an announcement that the PTO works. During this situation, you have to check that the temperature is high or low. You have to warm up to increase the temperature in case. For high, just for 1 minute, and for low, just for 10 minutes. The confirmation way of warming up is enough when the sliding plate and the rotating plate works well on the semi-automatic. If not, the fully warmed up, it is occur when the problem is caused by low viscosity of hydraulic oil and also oil hydraulic pumps and oil hydraulic parts. The conformation works of the sliding plate and the rotating plate will let you know the loading up of the garbage. The way of compressed garbage after the loading up the tailgate is below. First, if the sliding plate is up, the rotating plate is low, and then you can load up the garbage. And go up the rotating plate and down the sliding plate. And then the rotating plate winded and goes up during the compression. That is the first cycle. In this way, you can apply the same method. Loading this garbage from hopper to charger with compressed in a successive way. At this time, the inner ejecting plate is moved to inside because of the over certain level of compress. Stop off the compress if turn on the loaded lamp of passenger's seat. That means that fully compressed. For the getting off the compressed garbage, you have to release of the hand operated between hopper after discharge the filthy water. In the tailgate dump, you have to release the hand operated. Raise the dump lever of the driver's seat main valve and push the ejecting plate for discharging of the garbage. After discharging the garbage, After discharging the garbage, fix the hopper's safety lever and clean the two kinds of MC. One is the fixed ejecting plate and the other is the fixed sliding plate cylinders. After cleaning, don't forget to spread grease on the rail and the relevant parts of smooth work. If you are all aware of this manual, you can work easily, safely, and conveniently. If it is not working well, there are mechanical defects or damage. Please use this manual for personal training and for proper mechanical process.